Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix laptop or PC keyboard not working in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11, or you might be have Windows 11 and somehow or some cases your keyboard is not working, and maybe you are looking for how to fix this. In this video, I am going to share it to you by step how you can fix that issue. So in order to do that, I will definitely suggest you to update your Windows. So this is the first step. So for that, you need to go in your Windows 11 start menu and then click here setting and then go jump over Windows update and then click here check for update. See if there is any available update, just download and install that, and after that restart your PC and then see is your keyboard working or not. Maybe sometime it's if you go do update, it may be fix major issue in your Windows. So this is a step number one. So if it is not working, let me share it to you the second step. In this time, we're going to click again in our Windows 11 start menu and then we're going to click here setting. After click over setting, we're going to see skin appear just like this. In this section, we need to jump over accessibility. After click over accessibility, we need to go scroll down on the right side and we need to jump over in the keyboard section. After click over keyboard section, we need to jump over in this filter key and then we're going to see something say keyboard shortcut for filter key. Maybe some cases it's off. If you need to turn this on and then restart your PC. After then restart and then see is it your keyboard working or not. If it is not working, let me share with you the third step. In this time, we're going to update our driver. So for that, we need to jump over in our Windows 11 this PC and then we need to right click over on it and then we need to click here manage. After click over manage, we're going to see a screen appear just like this. You need to click here device manager. After click over device manager in the right side, you're going to see all our device connected with our desktop or laptop. We need to extend this keyboard and then you can see in my PC has one keyboard. And now if you need to just right click over on it and click here update driver and it will give you option how do you want to search for driver. First try to search automatically for driver and then see is it working or not. If it is not working, then go jump over browse my computer and choose let me pick up and you're going to see there's a bunch of model. Choose one by one and try see next and update your driver and then restart your PC. After that, hopefully it's going to be a work. If it is not work, I am going to share it to the last step that we're going to uninstall this driver and then we're going to reinstall. So for that, you need to right click over on it and click here uninstall device. And after I click on uninstall, you're going to see a pop-up appear. You need to click here uninstall and you're going to see the keyboard driver has completely uninstalled from my computer. Now we're going to click again here action and we're going to click here skin for hardware changes and that's going to be reinstall. If it is done, then you need to restart your PC and then sometime it might be not coming if you not restart your PC. So you just restart your PC and then see is it working or not. If it is not working, let me share you to the last step. In this time, we're going to run this keyboard troubleshoot. So for that, you need to go in your Windows 11 start menu and then click here setting. After click over setting, you need to jump over this troubleshoot and you need to click here other troubleshoot. And you're going to see screen appear just like this. You're going to see the keyboard. Just run this troubleshoot and it's going to be fixed if there is any issue with your keyboard. And after that, restart your PC and then see is it working or not. If it is not working, that means your keyboard might be damaged. Then let's connect this keyboard with any other computer or laptop and then see is it working or not. So this is how you can easily fix if your Windows 11 keyboard is not working. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.